Coaxial cables are essential for transmitting high-frequency signals with minimal interference, making them vital for TV, internet, and radio connections, ensuring reliable performance and clear signal quality. My today's video is about top 5 best coaxial cables for TV antennas that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at G-Plug 50 feet RG6 coaxial cable. The G-Plug 75 ohm standard shield RG6 cable is engineered for reliability, delivering a strong and consistent signal. Unlike low-quality alternatives, it features nickel-plated brass compression connectors, widely regarded as the best for minimizing noise and ensuring stable broadband, satellite, or digital TV connections. Built to last, the cable includes a double rubber O-ring that is weather-sealed, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The kit comes complete with a lead-free PVC jacket, easy rotate nut for hassle-free installation, and even an extra extension coupler for added flexibility. Durability is a standout feature, no flimsy build or weak connections, just dependable performance. G-Plug also backs its quality with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty, ensuring peace of mind. Designed in the UK by a passionate electronics team, this coaxial cable promises premium functionality and excellent customer support. Now our second product is Nixsto RG6 coaxial cable. The Nixsto RG6 coaxial cable delivers professional-grade performance with universal compatibility, making it perfect for HD TVs, smart TVs, cable boxes, modems, antennas, and more. It comes with a brass female-to-female extender, providing flexibility to expand connections with ease. Designed for durability, the cable features gold-plated F connectors with built-in O-ring seals, ensuring moisture resistance, while the rugged PVC jacket protects against rain and humidity, ideal for both indoor and outdoor setups. With its 75 ohm copper core, it minimizes signal loss for crystal-clear 4K HDR video, Dolby Digital audio, and stable high-speed internet up to 5 gigabits per second. Available in multiple lengths from 1.5 feet to 100 feet, the cable offers neat, tangle-resistant management for any home theater or network configuration. Backed by responsive customer service, Nixsto ensures reliable support whenever needed. Overall, it's a durable, high-performance solution for seamless connectivity. Our third product is Monster Essentials RG6 Coax cable. The Monster Essentials coaxial cable offers reliable, high-quality performance for a variety of digital applications. Its corrosion-resistant gold-plated F-pin connector ensures stable signal transmission with minimal interference, delivering crisp TV, satellite, and broadband signals. The flexible Duraflex jacket allows easy installation in tight spaces or around corners without kinking or damaging the cable. Premium metal housing shields the wire from electromagnetic interference, maintaining signal integrity and ensuring consistent performance. The durable aluminum extruded shell provides long-lasting protection against wear and tear, making it ideal for both indoor and extended cable setups. Versatile in use, this coaxial cable supports cable TV, satellite TV, digital audio, and broadband internet connections, guaranteeing clear, uninterrupted signals. Overall, the Monster Essentials coaxial cable combines durability, flexibility, and superior signal quality, making it a dependable choice for home and professional setups. Now number 4, BlueRigger RG6 coaxial cable. The BlueRigger low-loss RG6 coaxial cable delivers exceptional signal quality and picture clarity, even over long distances. Its triple-shielded design and durable PVC jacket ensure reliable indoor performance, maintaining consistent 75 ohms throughout. With a 100% pure copper core and 24K gold-plated connectors, it minimizes EMI and RFI interference, providing clear, uninterrupted signals for TVs, HD TVs, cable modems, satellite receivers, and more. Plug-and-play functionality requires no drivers or software, making installation quick and hassle-free. The cable supports a high-frequency range of 2.3 MHz to 3.0 GHz, offering versatile compatibility with a wide array of devices and providers. Ideal for security systems, intercoms, and digital audio setups, it combines durability, performance, and convenience. Backed by a lifetime warranty and responsive US-based customer support, the BlueRigger RG6 cable ensures long-term reliability and peace of mind. And our last choice is Adoreen Coaxial Cable. The Adoreen high-speed RG6 coaxial cable delivers exceptional performance and versatility for a wide range of setups. Featuring quad shielding with 4 layers of aluminum foil and braid, it effectively blocks EMI and RFI interference, making it ideal for DirecTV, Dish Network, and other satellite systems. The nylon braided jacket ensures durability with a 10,000 plus bend lifespan, while the 24K gold-plated connectors and real copper core provide consistent, high-quality signal transmission. Unique attachments allow you to switch the plug between 90 degrees, 270 degrees, and straight angles for convenient installation, and 15 included cable ties help keep wiring organized. Universally compatible, it works with cable modems, TVs, antennas, satellite receivers, and various internet providers. Backed by a 2-year warranty and responsive customer service, the Adoreen RG6 cable ensures reliable, long-lasting connectivity for home or office setups. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.